Welcome to another episode of the Git Basics for Beginners series. In this episode we will discuss about Git Lifecycle. Git, as a distributed version control system, tracks file changes. It keeps a snapshot of your files in the staging area and stores the final version of the project in a database. Git starts tracking file changes in any working directory only once it is initialized. Next comes the staging, which moves changes from the working directory to the staging area. This is where you prepare changes before committing them to the local repository. The staging area is a snapshot of what your next commit will look like, allowing you to select and group changes for commit. Next is the committing phase. Whatever is in the staging area will commit it to the local repository. A commit is a snapshot of the project's history at a certain point in time, which can later be referenced or reverted to. Finally, it's pushing. This command sends your committed changes from the local repository to the remote repository. It updates the remote with your local commits. Git init will be the command used to initialize a local Git repository to start tracking changes in the working directory. We can use git add command to move changes from the working directory to the staging area. Use the git commit command along with a commit message to commit all changes to the local repository. Finally, we can use the git push command to send the changes to the remote repository from the local repository. These are the basic Git lifecycle stages and the commands we can use with Git. There are more to come. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.